So here is the final result of the maple syrup evaporator project. It was a much bigger project than just my part of it. My part of it was just the maple syrup evaporator by itself. The whole project overall involved making a sugar shack as an addition onto an existing shed. The person that I was making the evaporator for designed, and with the help of his uncle and some other friends, built the entire sugar shack as an addition to the shed by themselves, using, milled wood out of a backyard type mill that the person that I built this for, uncle, owns, out of wood that he cut down from various properties and, local landowners who allow them to have some wood and whatnot. But here it is. Here's the completed project. It turned out just as good, if not better, than you could have ever expected. If you've never seen maple syrup being made, what you see here is a very, very brief example of how the whole process works. There's a lot of hours and time that goes into making maple syrup, which is why, real maple syrup is as expensive as it is.
This worked out well. We pushed, the seeds back further.
Yep.
So if we have any coals come out, we have the coals. It's on cement pavers. Alright, so this is the finished setup of the maple evaporator. So we went with a 3-channel flow pan. We're starting with a preheater on top. We're going to draw off of the preheater down into the first channel, and each channel has a groove cut into it, so the water's flowing from down towards the doors, out, back up and down, and it draws off over there. So the process is, as the water evaporates, the density of the sap pushes it over to where it draws off, and the two will never mix. So we're still figuring it out. We're still getting used to it, but we're getting to the point where we're figuring out. But the project came out great. The evaporator could have been a better project than we have right now.
All right. So that's it. Be sure to check us out on Facebook. The link is in the description. And as always, get out there and do something.